beneath the city lights, where the world feels so confined. Let's break free, take flight. Leave the chaos far behind. With your hand in mine, we'll leave it all behind. Into the night, we'll find a universe to unwind. So let's go see the stars, where dreams are born and love is ours. We'll dance among the constellations and lose ourselves in the sensation.
My name is Mohammed Khan. I am a 7-year-old. I read in class 1. My school name is Asia Public.